Hey there, students. This is Sister Mills, and I just wanted to make a quick video as we're wrapping up our course and finishing our last week together. I am so grateful for this semester and for each of you. We have had an amazing group of students this semester, and it's amazing because our locations have ranged from Utah to um, Africa to Samoa, and it's amazing how all of our classmates this semester we've all been in different locations, but how we've really come together in unity. And I just wanted to thank you so much for making this semester so meaningful. I know this semester has been filled with ups and downs for most of us. Many of you have reached out in times when you've had personal trials or problems with the course or with trying to figure out what the course is teaching us. And it's been so inspiring seeing you continue with faith and knowing that it's going to all work out in the end. And I think that mindset is really amazing for you guys. And you've definitely inspired me, and hopefully you've inspired our other classmates as well. I am so grateful for you, and I just wanted to share really quick in our group projects. I know that's a really tough part of the course, but I have seen so much good things happen in our groups. And we've had groups praying for students in countries that are having health issues and really widespread health issues. We've had groups that have reached out over and over and over to students who may have needed uplifting. We've had groups rally around students who were in car accidents or who had surgeries. You, this, the best parts of this course are because of you guys, and so I just wanted to thank you. It's truly been an amazing semester for me, and I feel like I learned so much more than this course teaches you guys, as I've been able to observe and be a part of this journey with you. So thank you so much. As we part ways, it's super bittersweet, but I wanted to leave you with this great quote by President Nelson. He says, "When you begin to catch even a glimpse of how your Heavenly Father sees you and what He is counting on you to do for Him, your life will never be the same." I love that quote, and I truly know that Heavenly Father is counting on each of us. Um, as as his children on earth who have his gospel, he definitely is counting on us and hoping for the best for us, and he's there in the details helping us along each step of the way. And so I hope that that has been something that you've discovered this semester as well, and that you can look forward with faith and continuing on with faith. Um, if you would like to stay in touch, go ahead and save my email or add me on Facebook. I'd love to stay in touch and be able to keep track of how you guys are doing and what is going on in your lives. So go ahead and add me. But anyways, thank you so much. I love you guys and have a great Christmas.